Oh, what a nice day. What happened to the power? You know what, I'm gonna turn on the news. And currently, there is a Superstorm Sandy on its way. Currently, Superstorm Sandy is coming, and it's ready. It's in West Virginia. And it's coming down this pathway. Super Sandy warnings that we know. Wait, thunderstorm? Superstorm Sandy? Oh my god. It's just another hurricane coming. We already had Hurricane Laura, now Hurricane Sandy? Oh my god. Why is Hurricane Sandy coming? Seriously, Hurricane Sandy? You really want to come here? Hey, Mario. I'm gonna go. We'll watch the storm, okay? Wanna come? Sure, I can hear the rain. Let's go. Luigi, it's pouring! Look at this! Oh my god, it's pouring! It's Hurricane Sandy, I know! Jesus Christ, this is so big! Oh my god! Luigi, pour! I know! It just started pouring out of nowhere! Oh my god! It's so windy the way it is! I know! This is so windy! I'm gonna sit down over here. Jeez. It's so windy! It's pouring! I know! It's like pouring outside! Whoa! Luigi, did you just see that? Yeah, Mario, I'm watching the storm too. Over here. What's this signal there? Dude, Hurricane Sandy's here. Yeah, I know, Hurricane Sandy is definitely here. This is crazy. This is just crazy. Unbelievably crazy. And now, this is just super crazy. Yeah. Oh my god. Look how crazy. That's super windy. Exactly. Wow! Luigi! Did you see that? Yes, I did. There must be huge waves at the beach. Might be huge waves. Might even flood. The weather did not lie. Hurricane Sandy is here. Look at that water. It's like flooding. Luigi, yesterday it was lightning super crazy everywhere. And now it's happening again. Well, yeah, the weather is different every single day. Well, it stopped. The rain stopped. Luigi, the rain stopped. Yeah, there's power outages. I just see one. It's subway power outage. Yeah. It's like raining really hard outside. Well, Hurricane Sandy's here. Yeah, this is definitely a hurricane. Wow. You can hear how powerful this hurricane is. This is really powerful. It's really strong how windy and rainy it is. Oh, the ocean might flood. Yeah, it's high tide right now. And the waves are like a bit bigger. Yeah, from the hurricane, the ocean might flood. Actually, Mario, it's actually starting to flood right now, the ocean. Really? Yes, it's flooding. Oh my god. I can like hear big bangs. Yeah, it's on the news. This is powerful. You see that water? Like everywhere it is. Really big. Those people. Should I go inside? Sure, Mario. Mario! It's thundering! Get inside! Mario! Mario, get inside! Mario, are you stupid? It is thunderstorming outside, and you could get struck by lightning. Luigi, it's rare for me to get struck by lightning. How about you just shut up? Mario! I'm trying to keep you safe! It is not gonna... And the lightning strike is not gonna struck me! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there goes the train. Or goes the train that we... Yeah, cool. I'm gonna sit down in this chair. Dude, it was just pouring. Yeah, it was pouring thunderstorm and it's still doing that. When do you think it's gonna end? 7 o'clock maybe. It actually started coming down. Yeah, is this a... Whoa! You need to see that? Yeah, it's Hurricane Sandy. Hurricane Sandy makes these kind of stuff. I thought Hurricane Sandy already ended. No, Hurricane Sandy's happening again for some reason. Wow, that was really big. Yeah. Whoa. Did you hear that? Did you hear how big that was? Yeah, it's actually still raining. Yeah, it's like flooding. Like, the water's moving really fast. Yeah, Manu, y'all hear you. You're just talking. Manu, don't bang your table like... Wait, just stop it. I wasn't doing anything. Yeah, you are still doing that. Stop doing that! Fine! You want to stand on the corner? Hey, you can't make me stand on the corner. Yeah, I can. Whoa. I just saw a flash, I think. Where's the thunder? Where's the thunder, Mario? Mario, where's the thunder? If you sound like, where's the thunder? There's the thunder. Okay, man, I believe you now. Yeah. It's still happening, actually. I know the spider web is gonna get broken. Who cares about a stupid spider? I do! I saw a flash. Yeah, sure. You saw a flash. Sure. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. There's thunder, Mario. I'm not lying. Okay! Stop making the table! You stop making the table! Wow! Another one! This is what's left of the hurricane. It's just a hurricane. A tropical storm now. Yeah, it was a hurricane. That was really big. Wow. I can imagine how big that was. It's so big. Hey, but I think the storm is actually ending because it's not raining. It's not really doing much, and the rain is like calming down now. So it's not been going as hard. So go back inside. Luigi, stop it! The hurricane is still going on. Shut the. Mario, I'm going to sit right over here and watch the storm. Luigi! Wow! Mario, what's going on? I felt the execution in my stomach! Mario, stop making a big deal of something! Luigi! I felt the execution of stuff! I felt the electricity in my stomach! Mario, make me do. Luigi, the lightning struck me! I felt the electric in my sock! I'm dying! Mario, it was just a little lightning. It wasn't the lightning, Luigi! Shut the I will not! I don't want to hear you say any of those words again! I enjoy lightning and you need to shut up, okay? You need to shut up! Fine. No, don't talk and say fine. You're fine. Oh, shut up! Yo, shut up! That was big, yeah. I didn't say you could talk. I can talk, fine. But that was big. I think it ended. I think it ended fine. Well, the storm ended. Let's go back inside. Alright. Oh, the storm ended? Yeah. Whoa, it was just a flash, but the stupid camera didn't even shot it. Rich Thunderhead. Well, Mario, the storm is actually ending, so let's turn on the news. Okay. Breaking news! The hurricane is still going on, but it isn't the end of it. It's just a tropical storm now. So, hope you guys. So the storm actually ended. The power's not on, so it's gonna be on tomorrow morning when you wake up. So guys, just stay safe, and that's the news. The hurricane's over. No, the hurricane's over. I know the hurricane's over. Hello, everybody. So this is the end of the video. We have a thunderstorm at the end of the hurricane. It's not really a hurricane, actually. I just made it for the video. It's just an ordinary thunderstorm. Yesterday I posted on my Instagram good bunch of school videos, you know. Lightning, but I didn't get on camera, I think. I don't know. I will run back later. But, yeah. So I'm going to be posting the video I made last night of the hurricane right there. It was lightning crazy, no thunder. But it's not really a hurricane, it's just an ordinary thunderstorm. But if you enjoyed the video of Mario and Luigi reacting to it over there, please hit the like button and I'll make more videos of them reacting to more thunderstorms. Let's wait it out. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But before I do anything, I'm gonna walk in the rain. I'm in the thunderstorm, my body. Alright, enjoy the video.